Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make gari from scratch, and then I'm going to share with you how to make the yellow one as well. So we have the white gari and then the yellow one. It's very simple and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. So these are the cassava. This is the basic ingredient, 100% ingredient, the one and only ingredient that you'll be needing. It's cassava. So I went ahead and divide my cassava into smaller pieces and then peel it. After I took out the core and then divided it into smaller pieces. Make sure you try your best to divide it into smaller pieces. It helps your blender to blend it more faster or more smooth. And please put it on a chopping board. I'm used to cutting it, making it this way, but try your best to put it on a chopping board so you don't cut yourself or anything like that. So it should be tiny pieces, just like so. I then went ahead and added in water. I'll wash it like twice or 3 times until the water is clear, and then I'll add it to my blender. After, I went ahead and added in water as well. So bear in mind, you do not want to add in much water. The water should be right above the cassava. It shouldn't be that much. I then close the blender and then blend this until almost smooth. Once the first one was almost blended, I added in the rest. You do not want to add in much water. So please, when you are doing it, blend it. Once it has formed liquid, it will be very easy for you to blend without adding in any water again. So once it was smooth, I then transfer it to a cheesecloth. Make sure you have something under it, a bowl under it, so that the liquid, the water, the excess water will be in. So make sure you squeeze it. It should be all the liquid in it. Try your best to squeeze out about 99.9% liquid from it. As you can tell from the video, I did mine so tightly that when I fermented it for 3 days, I didn't even see a sign of water. After, I then placed it on the top of a glass and then I placed something more heavy on it so that the liquid, if there's any liquid left in, it should drip off. But since I squeezed mine very hard, there's nothing, like there's no liquid came out, and then it was okay. That was perfect. So try your best to squeeze it that hard so that all the liquid will come out. I then went ahead and break it, like how you can tell from the video, like a breadcrumbs consistency. I divided it into 2 equal parts, kept one aside, and then work with the other one. So the yellow one, all you have to do is to add in palm oil and then mix it together to well combine. That's what you're looking for. After, I went ahead and sieved it. So make sure you sieve it until you are done. After I'm done sieving the yellow one, I then went in for the white one as well. So basically, that's it. This is your gari. All you have to do is to stir fry it, dry fry it, and then you're good to go. After I'm done, I added it to my saucepan. Just look at it. That's what you're looking for. It should be something more or less like this. Add it to your saucepan. Stay close to it. Gari needs attention. Stir it continuously. If not, it will form, like when it's cooking, it starts to stick together. So if you don't stay close to it, it will stick together, and then you wouldn't get the right texture that you're looking for. So please stay close to it and stir it continuously as I did in the video. Just look at this. This is amazing. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. Watch out for my next gari recipe, which is gari photo. It's so delicious. I hope you're going to give it a try. So just look at it. After I'm done with the yellow one, with the white one, I then went in for the yellow one. Just stay close to it and repeat the same process. But please bear in mind, don't add much in one pan. make sure you divide it into pieces. But I divided mine like two times, and then it was okay. Don't add much to your saucepan, if not it will form, and then you wouldn't like it. So do it little at a time, and then you get a great result. That's it, guys. It's simple, easy. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it wonderful? Just look at this amazing gari. You have the yellow one, and then you have the white one as well. See you, stay blessed. Till then, bye bye.